Diabetes is a chronic health condition that worsens with time. It is a disease that develops as a result of a metabolic system imbalance. It also affects the blood sugar levels in the body and results in a number of discomforts. Since diabetes patients are more likely to experience additional symptoms and illnesses that could substantially detract from their general well-being, keeping good health is crucial for them. Okra water is a different approach to acquiring all the nutrients okra has to offer without the slimy texture if you don't like okra or don't like the slimy texture. Okra water can aid in reducing body weight and controlling blood sugar. It's also an easy method for people who detest the renowned snotty vegetable to benefit from its many health benefits without actually eating it. This nutrient-dense vegetable is a fantastic source of potassium, vitamin B, vitamin C, calcium, folic acid, and manganese, a mineral vital to metabolism and blood sugar regulation. Because it is neither fried nor battered, okra is low in calories and high in fiber. We're sorry, but we can't offer any feedback on your gumbo recipe. Okra water is made by soaking okra pods in water for up to 24 hours, which is long enough for the nutrients to dissolve into the water. Remember that water will taste harsher if the okra is cut before soaking. You can either soak your pods whole or chopped. Aside from that, be sure to strain it before ingesting it. Pick up a couple or 3 okra pieces. Place the pieces in the glass of water after cutting them in half. And leave them in all night. In the morning, take out the okra, and before breakfast, sip some water. By following a routine every day, you can lower your blood sugar. This plain guidance is better than many home treatments.